Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the DHgate app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will search about the DHgate as you see like this. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.